Hello everyone, it's Arran from Forex Options. In this video we'll be doing some live trading together. We'll be looking for some setups in live markets and hopefully placing some live trades. But just before we start, I just want to run through the disclaimers and make sure you have read this in your own time. But just as a reminder, we're not making any claims as the income you may earn, and any past performance cannot be an indication of possible future results. And all the education and materials we do provide are for educational purposes only. So let's go and take a look at the charts now, and let's see if there's anything setting up for us. So we can see here my workspace is set up with 3 charts on this particular screen. On the left we have the euro dollar, in the middle we have the dollar Canadian, and on the right hand side we have the euro pound. So what I'm looking for is a change in background color on the euro dollar. That's the left hand chart. Okay. I still have 40 seconds for this bar to close for it to confirm that the beginning of trend has actually changed. So I'm just going to slide over IQ. Let's just bring this into a bit more perspective. I'll move my support line down so I can start measuring the thrust. Remember, that's one of the most important rules here. Must be momentum on the thrust bar. So you can see on my IQ account, I am trading a real account here of £1,950. Okay, so my bar has just closed, and now I'm getting ready to place my put options. Okay, my total risk is 30, and when that breaks, I'm going to press the put button. Okay, so I'm just going to press it now, and we can see we've gone in. With 10 seconds left for the deadline time, and then this expires then in another 30 seconds. So let me just maximize the euro dollar for you here, and we can see that the thrust bar is continuing to go down, and at the moment we are winning. So let's wait 14 seconds for this to expire, and if I do win, I have profited £25.50. Okay, so that's by following the 4 rules. So at the beginning of trend, the bar color was pink. Okay, that shows weakness, and the thrust bar crossed over from plus to minus, and as a result, I had won that trade. So what I'm going to do now is get ready to trade my next setup by changing the risk size to 55, and the reason for so is due to my profit accelerator that I'm also using. So it's around 2:30 here in London, and we are trading the American session. Okay, so what I am looking at now is again the euro dollar. The thrust bar has just crossed over the 0 line, so one of my conditions has been met. Another condition that also has been met is the color bar. I have blue bars. So what I'm now looking for is that change in background color. You can see I've got just under 50 seconds now for the algorithm to confirm that a change in background color has occurred. Okay, so here the emphasis is on the pink to blue zone, and I'm just going to look if there's any resistance at the top where I could get stopped, but it seems to be okay. I seem to have some distance there, so I'm happy to take call options if a setup arises. Okay, so we have 23 seconds for this bar to close, so let's just see together what happens. You can see I'm also moving over my resistance. Okay, and I've pulled over IQ just to get ready, because you have to be, on the ball. And I'm going to be patient. See how I didn't click the button straight away? Okay, I'm just hovering over the call button, and when I see that thrust bar break over that top resistance bar you can see on the thrust, I will place the trade. So there, we're in. Okay, so I didn't press the button straight away. I was patient and I waited to see that thrust being broke. Okay, that resistance on the thrust being broke. After that, I took the trade. Okay, common mistake with this is that people see the arrow, they see the change in background color, okay, they see the color bar, and they place the trade straight away. That is incorrect. You have to make sure thrust is moving, okay. So at the moment I'm losing in this trade, but in the last couple of seconds it shot up. That's because I measured the thrust correctly, okay. And this trade is in profit, so that's £46 profit for that trade. And I'm actually going to call it a day. I'm going to stop. I'm over the 2,000 mark now, okay, so I'm quite happy. I think that leaves me a total around £72, £73 profit for the day. So, I mean, I think 15 minutes I've been sat down for. It's pretty impressive. That's with me being very strict, very regimented, and following the rules, using the profit accelerator. I set my target for 2 trades, and now I am done. So, I hope to see you on the next video, and stay disciplined, guys. Thank you.